Hello everyone, it's Claris and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new kit from Double Dip Nails to review. This is their PS I Love You kit for Valentine's Day. It features 6 different colors and I will be swatching them all out for you guys and doing a manicure on myself using these. So let's get right into it. As always, Double Dip's packaging was so cute, and here are what all the colors look like. So we're going to be starting off with this color called WildOne. This is a super pretty dark pink color with lots of red glitters in it. This is a super cute glitter red. I really love this one and I think the name WildOne fits this very well. This is the color in 3 coats, and since this is a glitter shade, I think it would also work if you, instead of dipping the nail in, you pressed it in upside down like this. That can also help to maximize how much glitter you can pick up in each coat. So yes, this is the first color here. Next up we have a lighter pink shade called Fingerscrossed. This looks like a really pretty light shimmery pink. This is a gorgeous, super cute pink, and I found this one to be opaque on my stick in only 2 coats. I was pleasantly surprised with this one. So yep, another gorgeous pink with maybe even purple undertones, hard to tell, but I would definitely wear this one. So the next color we're going to try is called Pretty Petals. Oops, this one leaked a little bit. But this one is really fun. It has lots of little pink circle glitters in it. This one turned out way more cute and fun than I thought it would, but super fun. I think this would be a really cute addition as like an accent nail to a set of just plain pink nails. I think that would be so adorable. Also, since this is a chunky glitter, I did not do this, but you could encapsulate it in a layer of clear dip powder. That could also help. Next, we have another pink color. This one is called Pink Winks. This is what it looks like, a solid pink, almost kind of like a bubble gum. So here is the color in 2 coats. I did find this one to be a tiny bit sheer in 2 coats. I might do 3 if I was doing it on my actual nails, but very cute color. I do like this one as well. Next up, we have a red. This one is called Channel Rogue. In the container, it appears like a bright tomato kind of red. A really pretty bright red, definitely what I would think of when I think of Valentine's Day. And this kit just really makes me want to wear reds and pinks. Lastly, we have another pink. This one is called Sticky Date. This one reminds me a little bit of the first one, except with more of a pink theme than a red. But we do have really tiny little glitters and then some bigger ones. And here is the last color, super pretty as well. With this one, I did encapsulate it in clear dip powder, so I think that did help give the nail a little bit more of an encapsulated look. I really love this one as well. It's super cute, and I could definitely see this one as an awesome spring color. Well, here we have all 6 colors swatched out. These are all so pretty. I don't even know what I want to do now. I think I'm going to do a chevron design with the red and the pink, and then one of the glitters. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I first cleaned off the base coat that I had on my nails. Then I'm going to use my peel off base coat and apply this to all my nails. Really the only time that I use peel off base coats now is under dip powder, when I want to be able to take it off quickly. I would probably like to wear this mani for a while, but I have another kit I have to try out. Alright, so once it has dried, I decided I'm going to be using these 3 colors. I'm going to be doing 2 coats and then a layer of clear of Pretty Petals on the thumb and the ring finger as accents. I do want to mention also that sometimes I notice with glitter dip powders, they take longer to dry. I found that these dried really quickly. They had no problem. So I was very happy about that. Now we're going to do 2 coats of pink winks on all the other nails. I really love doing dip powder nails. Alright, so now I'm going to do the chevron. So I'm going to take the base and apply it to the whole surface of the nail. Then I'm going to try to dip my finger in at an angle of the red powder to create the V shape. And as you can tell, it was a lot easier said than done. I was like, this is not easy. There has to be a better way to do this. So then I thought I could use tape. So I got a piece of tape and cut it to make kind of a shape like I did with the first one. I put it down on the nail, applied the base over the tape and applied the base over the tip, and then dipped into the red. And then I was like, should I peel off the tape right away? So yes, I started peeling it up, and it had this little weird dried up piece, whatever. I peeled that off and it looks almost perfect. I was so happy with how this one came out. So definitely I will do this technique again when I want to do the chevron with dip powder. But now what I want to do is encapsulate these in clear so I can file them without ruining the look. So I'm just going to get my clear here and spoon it over. Now I will apply activators to these nails. Now I'm going to go file all of these nails. Alright, so they're all filed now. I'm going to quickly go do another layer of activator, and then we're ready for top coat. Well, here is the finished look, guys. I really love this one and I had fun with the chevrons. Now I wish I did one on the pinky. But yeah, this is just an idea of what you can do with the powders from this kit. I possibly will be doing more swatches of the individual colors on all my nails just to show you guys what they look like, because I'm curious myself too. And I will definitely do that if I have time, and I'll post what I do on my Instagram. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will have this kit linked below if you'd like, and you can get 20% off the kit and anything else you're interested in from Double Dip Nails with my coupon code PolishedQueen. So thank you guys so much for watching today. Usually I don't upload on Saturdays, but I had some free time recently, and also I had these kits from Double Dip to try out. Give this video a like if you enjoyed, and comment below what you think of this design. So I will see you on my next upload on Wednesday, and until next time, have a magical day.